Maybe it's just because I've done this for so long. Maybe it's because I'm literally lazy. I'm just so shocked sometimes I don't care how I look for the whole literal internet to see. But happy Saturday, you guys. I literally have nothing really planned today because the past 2 nights, my throat and my head and my chest, I just feel like I'm starting to fight a head cold. It's not bad at all, but I definitely can tell I'm at the very beginning of fighting it. I just don't want to get sick next week because it's such a busy week. So I pretty much canceled all my plans this weekend just to be safe. Also fight it off. So I ordered this place Hope. They have really good tom yum soup. They have a lot of vegan options. I'm not vegan whatsoever, but it's so good. The pad thai. Oh, it is so good. And I also got some steamed little dumplings because I love me some dumplings. Those are just because I wanted them. And then the tom yum soup is what I was like, I should have some soup. It's spicy, it's yummy. They didn't give me any silverware though. So eat with me. We have a face mask on. This is it's a Korean, oh yeah, paper mulberry sheet, 4D white mask, brightening. It looks like this. What's the actual, I think it's mulberry? What's the brand? Oh, Mediheal. That's the face mask. Also, we're watching Miss Ryan Christina, her YouTube videos. Love the fit. Oh my God, I wasn't paying attention just now while I was vlogging. Obsessed. This is how I know I have a big nose because every face mask, it never gets low enough. Jump scare. I'm also sending some footage so I can get back on my vlog game, you guys. No fucking fly. Wow, I haven't had this in so long. It's a little hard to eat with this. And you know what? I've had it on for 10 minutes, so we're good. Just got a huge package from Amazon. Well, this is just for the fridge, obviously. I feel like we've been going through so many snacks and drinks because we just filmed the podcast here. So that's for the fridge. And then I also got more of my clean skin, clean towels. I love these so freaking much. Also, what I love doing is after I use them for my face, using it to clean the bathroom and stuff. I love how they put it on here, maximize your clean towels by cleaning your counter and sink before tossing it. I was so skeptical about these at first, but I feel like they're actually so worth it because the amount of nasty bacteria and stuff on towels, if you actually think about it, it's kind of disgusting. So I absolutely love these. I honestly should sign up for the subscription because I think you save a little bit of money, but I go through these a lot. Then we got some other little hair goodies. I got a wax stick. I normally get the Tancho one, which I think is also coming, but I got this one from Kitsch to try along with some goodie bobby pins because I never know where all of mine go. Some hair ties as well, and we have a brush. I got a few more beauty things coming, and the main reason I got them is for the downstairs bathroom because, well, this desperately needs organized, as you can tell. But I feel like whenever friends come over or we're recording or doing a shoot or something, it's always oh, do you have a bobby pin, or do you have hairspray, or last minute stuff. I'm oh yes, upstairs in my bathroom, and it'd be nice just to have this whole little area fully organized. And I feel like it'd be so nice to not, have to be oh yeah, go upstairs to my bathroom. They can just have stuff here. So my next small little house project is to reorganize the downstairs bathroom because I'm sorry, if I was a stranger and I came over here, I'd be Alicia, what? What? What is this? Also, I'm sure some of this stuff is expired. Why are you exploded? We got some boob tape because we love boob tape, but I could put that at least in a bag so it's a little in your face. Sunscreen. Put sunscreen on one spot. Hair clips. Actually, a lot of these can go upstairs. Scissors. A gua sha. I'm sorry, no guest is using a gua sha down here. There's these little flossers, but I'm ew, have these been used? Well, I found where all my bobby pins went. Okay, no crazy progress, but there's still some progress. I need to go get some bags and stuff upstairs. I also feel maybe up here should be more I don't know, not toothbrushes, but everyday things. And then maybe the second one should be hair. Because we're not gonna tampon. There's everything's, what is going on? You know what I mean? Anyway, good for now. Gonna bring all this upstairs and find bags to put things in. Change of plans already. I found Q-tips down there and I was it just makes so much more sense for Q-tips, maybe disposable toothbrushes, mouthwash, or that kind of stuff to be on the right side. And then I was let's just also put all these bobby pins I just got in the bobby pin holder. That would be way easier. Shit, if it'll fit. Cute. I also do feel like, in reality, the hair, well, I guess I can put them here for now. Okay, whatever. I have these guys, which would be perfect. Also, sorry, the lighting in here is so dark. I mean, I can do this, it's not gonna look ideal, whatever. I do feel like this makes more sense. I still feel like it makes sense for the fucking brush to come down here. Also, I don't even know what these are. I think they're like, hold on. You know what? Good for now. Alicia, put it away. We'll put the full box under here. I've literally stood here for way too long rearranging things, and I'm like, Alicia, just stop and get back to it when you have other things to put in here. This kind of feels like a Sunday reset, even though it's Saturday. We did it. All right, I'm feeling a little better. Obviously, I'm like up and moving. I think I just kind of got tired of sitting, to be honest. I still feel like my throat, I just feel like it's trying. I feel like it's trying. I did order from Creation. Oh, I didn't show you guys. I got like a little immunity shot thing, so I had that. I feel like I was in such a good practice of having those, like not every day, but almost every day. And I just never really get sick, so knock on wood. I did get like a second win and was kind of wanting to work out for a second, and then I really thought about it. I feel like sweating would be good, but also I should go to like the sauna. I kind of thought about going to the gym just to go to the sauna because I know that's so good for you, especially if you are battling something. But then also like if I am sick, I don't want to get other people sick. So I figured cleaning was a good middle ground. So I'm not just sitting on the couch all day and feel disgusting, but also being a little productive. Hello, it's the next day. Ash is here. We're on a hot girl walk. We are on a hot girl walk because she has been editing all day. She's like, I need to move. But I'm cramping so bad. I started my period today. It's like, and then I'm also sore from Pilates yesterday. And then I was stretching and I was sore from that. So I'm like, it's just an overall, I just feel like shit right now. But that is not gonna stop us from our Vegas prepping. I was like, oh, you wanna go on a walk? That's perfect. The bank's kind of a really far walk, but I could technically walk to the bank, and luckily it's not 105 degrees out today. And there's like a little breeze, it feels good.
There's also no one out right
I know, like no one's out right now. So I figured we can go on a hot girl walk, we can swoop by the bank, get out some money for some gambling. All right, we're back home. Also, I meant to show you guys this before I dug into them. Clearly, that didn't happen. But Barbie and Krispy Kreme did a collab and they sent DR, which is so sweet. I haven't had Krispy Kreme in so long. It's literally my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of tend to just eat the frosting and then throw away the rest because that's the best part. Even though it's not lunchtime, it's lunchtime for me because I had, well, I guess it's snack time for me. I've been off. And I want to make my dumplings. Do I want the soup dumplings or do I just want like the steamed dumplings?
I would go steamed.
Wait, I think I want this. These dumplings or the like wonton ones or the soup.
Pork shumai, and we still have cucumbers.
Yep.
You can eat with it.
Yup. Lazy meals. Let's make this. Ooh, I think I put too much water. Okay, blah, blah, blah. 12 minutes. We'll be back in 12 minutes. You guys didn't tell me I have boob sweat from my walk. Maybe you didn't notice. Let's just tuck that in there. You also can't see, but I put some rice under here, and whatever I don't eat, I'm just gonna save. This is the rice that I get. I love it, but let me know if you guys have one that you like better. It's so easy, just microwave it. It's sticky rice, love it. I really wanna try one of these, but I'm scared it's gonna be a little hot. Oh my God. For a frozen grocery, like, it's pretty good. Trader Joe's, I'm gonna give it solid 7.5 out of 10. I think they're a little plain if you don't have other stuff with it. I might even go 8. 7.9. I may have overcooked them a little bit though. All right, we gotta pack for Vegas. All right, it is that time. We gotta start packing. There you are. I was wondering where these were. These are little mics. Oh my God, Cal's gonna love this. What's crazy is they must have been in here from when I got back from Korea, which is crazy. That was so long ago. Regardless, need a chart to that. I know, girls, a suitcase is never what we want to see. Yes, we're only there. Well, technically, Rem and I are staying an extra day, so we're gonna be there till Monday. And although that's still only Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, that's still like not that long. So I could bring a small suitcase, but also like if it's the same price as a big suitcase, then I might as well just bring a big one, then we can have outfit options and you get it. Where do I start? I'm gonna do as much as I can right now. I do need a shower before my spray tan, which I actually have to leave in like an hour. So I think I'm gonna start packing, shower, shave, spray tan. While my spray tan is fully developing, we'll finish packing. Also, look what I got. I got these for everyone. For us, oh, Mariah! She was supposed to come and I don't think she's gonna be able to make it anymore and I'm really sad. I'll bring it just in case. These are literally like hats for like bachelorette parties or like bachelor parties. This one's Heath's. This one's Remy's. Cal's. Zane's. Also Zane's. I wasn't sure which one he'd want. Mariah's. And mine. I did order some dresses. And anything I don't wear, I'll just save for the next trip. This is cute, but I'm like, will you stay up? Okay, wait. I think this one's like open on the sides with this like... Going out dresses are so hard to see when they're not like actually on, but this is the first one that I got. I'll show a photo. I should try it on because I'm like, oh, fuck. I should try her on. Let's just fucking do it. I'm sorry. I don't know how this is supposed to go. Like, I don't think this goes across. Hold on. I'm struggling. I like it. I can tell I'll feel comfortable in it. I think this goes over here. This definitely goes here, but it's kind of hard to like tighten it. It's like knotted, hold on. But is it supposed to be that way for now? The way that like, if I wear this or any of the other ones, I'm gonna, like the difference between like me now trying it on versus how it'll actually look with like makeup and hair actually washed and stuff. Yeah, it'll look so good. But if I can figure this out, I think I like it. I just need to figure this. I need Remy. Oh, maybe it just goes lower, or maybe they expect you to have like a boob job. That kind of looks better. I don't know. All right, dress number 2 looks like a nightgown. It's really cute, but I do feel like maybe if I wear it with a bathing suit underneath to a pool party, that could be cute because then it's just a little more covered up. It is really cute though. Surprisingly, I feel comfortable here. I do wish my boobs like were closer together. Obviously I could tape them, but then it would show here, so I don't know. I feel like the emoji, it is Jaded London, if you're curious. It is super cute. Hot, but like a little much. I do think with like a bikini under, this would be really cute for like a daytime pool party vibe. The last dress I got is Norma Kamali, which you guys know I'm obsessed with Norma Kamali dresses. They are a little more pricey, but they like, oh, they will last you forever. Got this pink one, which I thought was really cute. So let's try her on. This is really cute. Do I feel like a highlighter? Yes, but I feel like with the right like hair and glam and stuff, it's just so comfy and it's so stretchy. So I feel like I can like eat as much as I want, drink as much as I want, and I'll still feel good. One thing I don't love about the mesh though is like, I feel like I'll just be adjusting it all night, but that's okay. Like I wonder if there's a way I can make sure it lays the way I want it. I feel like I need to like pen it or something. Also with a tan, the pink will look good with a tan. I still have my tan line here from my sunburn, which is crazy. Okay, definitely bringing this. Update, it's much later. We took a shower, we got spray tan, and we're mostly packed, thank God. I'm gonna finish in the morning because I feel like I need to sit and think about everything else that I need. I think I'm pretty good. Obviously I'm gonna do my makeup and my skincare in the morning, so I haven't packed like the toiletries and all that kind of stuff yet, but I think it's gonna be fine. I know I'm overpacked, but I don't care. Also, I'm so glad I tried a lot of the things on because I don't think I'm gonna bring the red dress anymore. I just wanna be comfortable and I'm like, what's the point? I don't know. So decided no to that. brought other goodies. Love a quick little weekend trip. You would think I'm actually gone for like a month. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm really tired and I'm really excited for you guys to see all of the Vegas content. So yeah, go follow the socials, go follow Basically Unfiltered Patreon, patreon.com/basicallyunfiltered. Get excited for Vegas content. Woo! Welcome to Vegas, baby.
Is it?